Hi friends, subscribe to my channel. Today, let's learn the Light of Life story. In the quiet village of Meadowbrook, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a humble man named Elias. Elias was known for his cheerful disposition and unyielding optimism despite the humble life he led. He worked as a woodcarver, creating intricate designs from the sturdy oak trees that surrounded the village. His creations were modest but beautiful, often gifted to neighbors as tokens of goodwill. Elias' life had not always been easy. As a young boy, he had lost his parents in a tragic accident, leaving him to fend for himself. The villagers took him in, offering food, shelter, and companionship. Over time, Elias became a symbol of resilience, spreading light wherever he went. However, Elias carried a secret. Deep down, he often felt the sting of loneliness and self-doubt, questioning his purpose in life. One crisp autumn morning, Elias set out into the forest to gather wood for a new carving project. The air was fragrant with the scent of pine and fallen leaves, and the golden sunlight streamed through the trees. As he ventured deeper, he stumbled upon an ancient oak tree with a peculiar hollow at its base. Inside the hollow, he found a glowing crystal unlike anything he had ever seen. It pulsed with a gentle warmth, filling Elias with a sense of peace and wonder. Curiosity overtook him, and he carefully carried the crystal back to his small workshop. Over the next few days, Elias noticed something extraordinary. Whenever he held the crystal, his hands seemed to move with an otherworldly precision, carving wood into designs that were more intricate and lifelike than anything he had ever created before. Word of Elias' stunning new creations spread throughout the village, attracting visitors from far and wide. Among the visitors was a young girl named Clara, who had recently lost her eyesight due to illness. Her father brought her to Elias, hoping his carvings might lift her spirits. Touched by their story, Elias decided to carve something special for Clara. As he worked on the piece, the crystal seemed to glow brighter, as if it understood the intention behind his effort. When the carving was complete, it was a depiction of a phoenix rising from the ashes, its wings outstretched and its feathers detailed with breathtaking precision. Elias placed the carving in Clara's hands. Though she couldn't see it, she ran her fingers over the intricate design and smiled. "It feels alive," she whispered. The villagers marveled at the piece, calling it a masterpiece, but for Elias, the real reward was Clara's joy. As days turned into weeks, Elias found himself pouring his heart and soul into each creation, always guided by the crystal's warm glow. He began to feel a newfound sense of purpose, not just in his work but in the connections it fostered with others. Yet, he couldn't help but wonder about the origin of the mysterious crystal. One evening, as the first snow of winter blanketed Meadowbrook, Elias dreamt of an ethereal figure shrouded in light. The figure spoke with a gentle yet commanding voice. "Elias, the crystal you hold is a fragment of the light of life. It responds to the purity of your intentions and amplifies your ability to bring joy to others. But remember, true light comes from within. The crystal is but a reminder of the light you already carry." Elias awoke with a start, the words echoing in his mind. He realized that while the crystal had enhanced his craft, the true magic lay in his willingness to use his talents to uplift others. With this newfound understanding, Elias decided to share the crystal with the village. He placed it in the town square, where its glow illuminated the hearts of all who approached it. The crystal became a symbol of unity and hope for the villagers. Inspired by Elias' generosity, they began to come together, sharing their own talents and resources to help one another. The village flourished, not because of the crystal alone but because of the light it awakened in each person. Years later, as Elias grew older, he continued to carve, his work now renowned beyond Meadowbrook. But for him, the greatest joy remained in the smiles of those he touched. On his final day, as the sun set over the village, Elias held the crystal one last time. Its glow dimmed and then faded, having fulfilled its purpose. But the light it had kindled in the hearts of the villagers burned on, a testament to the enduring power of kindness and connection. Elias' legacy lived on in the spirit of Meadowbrook, a village that had learned to find and share the light of life in each other. And though the crystal was gone, the lesson it imparted remained: the brightest light comes from within, and when shared, it can illuminate the world.